If you've been wondering how to make your Zoom recordings look crisp and professional, you are definitely not alone. I'm going to walk you through the practical gear and settings you actually need, and then show you a workflow for turning those long calls into viral social clips. Let's start with the camera, because while your built-in laptop webcam is okay for casual chats, it leaves a lot to be desired. If you want a sharper, more professional look, investing in an external webcam is the single easiest upgrade you can make. You do not need to break the bank here. Just look for a highly rated model on your preferred marketplace and verify it has solid reviews. Next, and this is crucial, always try to record your Zoom sessions locally on your computer rather than using the cloud. Recording locally ensures that if your internet connection dips, your video quality stays consistent and artifact-free. And please, whatever you do, take a second to wipe your webcam lens with a microfiber cloth before you hit record. You would be shocked at how much clarity you lose to simple fingerprints and dust smudges on that tiny piece of glass. Now, lighting is actually more important than the camera itself, so make sure you have a light source in front of you, not behind you. Even a simple desk lamp or facing a window can make your image pop and eliminate that flat, grainy look. Don't forget to dive into your Zoom video settings to toggle on high definition mode, which is often disabled by default. You can also explore options like touch-up appearance or low light adjustments to smooth out your video feed. If you are using a dedicated webcam, check if the manufacturer provides companion software to tweak contrast and sharpness. Also, be mindful that older computers might struggle to process high-resolution video, which can limit your overall output quality. Keep in mind that platforms like YouTube and Facebook compress your video, so your 4K upload might not always look like 4K to the viewer. Now, here's the part where most creators get stuck, and it is the process of repurposing long calls into shorter content. Manually editing hours of footage into TikToks or Reels is the ultimate productivity killer, and frankly, not a good use of your time. That is why I started using AI-powered clipping tools to handle the heavy lifting for me. These tools scan your long recordings, identify the most engaging highlights, and automatically trim them for you. I have compared manual editing, simple auto trimmers, and smart AI editors, and the AI editors are clearly the best category. One tool I use is Vizard because it does a great job of identifying quotable lines and emotional peaks in your footage. It doesn't replace human judgment, but it saves hours of scrubbing through footage by giving you a solid starting point. I specifically rely on the auto editing feature to find those viral moments that I might have otherwise missed. The auto-scheduling tool is another game changer, letting me set a frequency so my content goes out across platforms automatically. It even keeps everything organized in a content calendar, so I am not juggling a dozen spreadsheets to track my strategy. While AI is not perfect, it is significantly cheaper and faster than hiring a dedicated video editor for every single clip. A final tip for your workflow is to always record the best audio you possibly can, because good sound makes a clip feel premium. You should also make sure to caption everything, as most social media users are watching their feeds with the sound off. By combining decent lighting, a clean lens, and a smart AI clipper, you can turn one webinar into a month of social content. If you are interested, I can walk you through my exact step-by-step workflow for turning a Zoom file into a fully scheduled post. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that deep dive, and good luck with your recording setup.